How to add transition sound effect on InShot app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add transition sound effect easily. First thing, go to InShot. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now click on video so you can upload a new video or just choose from your drafts. Like me, I already have this video right here. Now click on the music down here, click on music and click on here on effects. Now you will find the transition sound effect right here. Click on it and you can choose any of these, for example this one. As you can see, you have many options. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.